Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video you will learn how you can use the column function in Excel. So the column function is a very simple function. It just shows you which column you selected. Yes, so for example, if you would select this cell here, it will just extract the column details, which is column number 3, the third column. So let's show you exactly how this works. So we say column, then open parentheses, and then let's click here on the formula builder where we can see everything, and then it just asks for a reference. If we select C, column C, this you can see the result is column number 3. And if you would select like a row of multiples, you can see here these are the results done, but it will always start with the first one. So the first one you selected was column number 3 or column C. And that's really how you can use the column function. So if you like tips and tricks regarding to Excel, check out the link below. In there you can find a wonderful Excel course for free to improve your skills.